Little Logan is playing right now. He just turned 12 weeks today. Yes, he did. Do you want to look at the camera? Or are you just into the yarn right now? You see Ella right over there. She's always all up in his business. They both don't like if I give attention more to one. So they always have to be around. When Ella was 13 weeks, that's when we got her. She was actually about 4 times the size of his. My boyfriend says no, but I definitely think so because she was humongous. She definitely did not look like a kitten, which makes me wonder if the lady that I adopted her from was lying to me. But all that matters is I love them both, and they're just so cute. Logan doesn't want to look at the camera right now. Logan, come on, baby.
Oh, here we go.
Logan, 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 Logan. Oh, he doesn't care about us today. He's in his own world right now, being a little cutie patootie. Logan, your claw is all stuck on this. Oh, you can see his face a little bit. He is so social and so loving. He's the most cutest thing ever. While this lady right over here, lounging, she is very antisocial. She gets very mad if we try to do anything to her. Oops. Aww. Ella is let's see, she's a lynx point mitted ragdoll, something other of that kind. And Logan, we have determined he's definitely a seal point, although some were trying to say he was a lilac point or something like that, which is absolutely no way possible because he's way too dark. Oh, there they go playing. Logan, you can't be biting. Oh,
Here we go.
aren't they cute? It took them a while to start liking each other. Sometimes I wonder if Ella even likes him because it looks like she tries to choke him, and it kind of scares me. So I really hope nothing goes on when I'm not home. Aww. Okay. I'm gonna stop here. And I'll be back later.